Okay. Douglas is now driving. Let's see his car selection. And let's watch him drive. See how well he can drive.
Turn it like that.
Okay.
Videotape.
I'm not used to this.
It looks so dumb when you have it.
I don't like it this way.
See, look,
Hey,
I got a Bugatti.
wow, that's. I like your wristwatches. Those are
I
nice.
like your wrist. I like your wrist.
They're a nice color.
He only has
Oh
one-
shoot! This thing.
He only has one wristwatch, by the way.
There's another one. You just can't
No,
see
it's
it.
a tag. He only has
Whatever. It's a bracelet. Well. Hey, there goes Douglas. Riding the wind.
God.
Going
This thing is.
75 miles per hour. Now he's going 90.
I'm going like 100.
100. You're going too fast. I can't keep up. I can never be an auctioneer. Whoa!
Oh wait.
Oh.
I thought that was a full. Okay.
You say we're bad.
Well, you don't have a freaking Bugatti.
It is now 5 p.m. I say in this game.
5?
I'm saying it's 5 p.m. on a
I
winter's
mean,
night.
it's bright. It's bright out here, and it's like 8 o'clock in real life.
Shut.
Well, this is a different place. This is
Colorado.
Antarctica.
This is Colorado.
This is Antarctica.
How is it Antarctica? Oh, shut up, you. Yeah, isn't this Colorado?
First continent that came to my head. Daredevil Award. It is now 7 p.m. Like one of those nights that I'd stay up late at my grandma's
Oh
house.
crap! There goes my tail.
Idiot.
Oh, of course those don't.
You are now going 30, 40, 50 miles per hour.
I'm gonna do a race.
You say you're better than us, and you're in the wrong lane.
So it's not real life.
Yeah,
God,
but
this road is tight.
it's basically like a simulator.
I can dance like I'm
No, it's
So
a race
it has to
simulator.
be like real life. And they are over there dancing. Well, there goes my phone. Yeah.
Just a bunch of girls dancing and thinking they're hot. They're not. I can wave my arms like an octopus.
That's the end of this video.